Tender, an all-new chicken tender from Burger King. Completely customizable, amazingly portable. It's this year's tastiest BK hand held. The all-new chicken tender. Experience the 4-piece.
Fizz, what are you doing?
Only at Burger King.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Money? Can I have it? Can I have it? Give me it. Let me have it. Give me it. Give me it. Where are you putting it? You don't have one of those to put. Where are you putting it? Where'd it go? Where'd the money go? Where'd the money go? Give me it. There's the money. Give me the money.
All my stuff stays on the phone when I pull it off the laptop.
Give me the money.
It's a computer that's a phone. Or a phone that's a computer.
Give me the money, Fizz.
Well, which is it, sir? You seem to be changing your story.
Where is it? Where's the money? Where's the money, Fizz? Where'd it go? Where is it? Where is it? Oh!
Forgot to run the dishwasher.
Where's the money? Uh-oh. Where is it? Where was it? Give me. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give me the money, Fizz. Give me the money. Give me the money. Thank you. I love you.